Good morning, guys. We are going to the post office to pick up the package. Yo, this is it. This is the Shimano Altus. Yeah, I think I can fix it by myself. I just take out the wheel and yeah, this is the hanger. If you notice, the hanger is broken. Hanger is like the mount that connects between this the body, the frame, and the ruler. So I'm going to take this piece. To cut the chain, and it's already broken, as you can see that. Yeah. Here is this full piece that fell off from there, and this is the Shimano gear that is look at this. Yeah, broken very much. I still have problem with the shifting of the gear because it doesn't goes to the 9 to the biggest sprocket. Yeah. Yeah, at the moment I just tried and it's working. It is skipping in some of the sprocket, but yeah, I'm not going to change that today. Maybe I'm going to bring that to the bike shop, to Mr. Frank, to have a general checkup so that everything will be working fine. Yeah, it's a little frustrating to do these things, all this problem. I miss the old bike. It is still there, and it works like a normal push bike at the moment. Good for exercise because it's heavy. It is like this outside. It looks cloudy, but later on for sure it's going to be a blue sky. Yesterday I received the tip. I think it's more than 100 because I see 250. Let's see. Whoa, this one. It's it's 115 Australian dollars. Yeah, this is the tip. Maybe for a 1 month tip. I'm not sure because I don't really count. Also, I'm not expecting this. Yeah, tip is good. It's extra money. According to the people that Australian normally don't give tips, but yeah, maybe those tips are coming from the foreigner, from the tourists, or just simply the humble people. We're going to work now. It is now almost 11:30. It looks like it is raining outside. I don't know exactly because maybe small droplets like a mist. There is actually no rain, but it is better to sure than sorry because look at the sky. And last night coming back home is a little struggle because this bike is low battery, and at the same time there is a heavy rain. Yeah. I still manageable. Yeah, look at that. You can see that it says free. I don't know what is that. Yeah, but we're just going to cross to the other side. That thing is free, but I don't know exactly what is that. Yeah, that is happens here all the time. You're going to see something that is for free. Oh, water here. And one of the reason why I choose this bike is because of the, what do you call this cover. It's like a mud guard so that the water from the wheel will not goes into me. I leave the house at exactly 11:30, and my duty today is at 12 o'clock. We have a function, and it is going to be me and the other chef. Yeah, just the two of us. And look at those black swan, there are so many. I already put this here. This is going to be the permanent, and this one will be, yeah, will be here. Yeah, I still need to put to make it permanent. At the moment this is just attached by the rubber. Tonight when I get home I will finish it. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are actually going to work now. It is very windy. Yeah, for sure it is going to be a loud noise in the camera, but because I have this windshield, I think it's not going to be too much. We are getting into other way today because I'm going first to the bike shop in Salamander Bay Shopping Center, because I'm going to buy a side mirror for this bike. I am again going to show you the cars that are for sale here. Yeah, this one, it's there's no price, I didn't see it. And this boat is, I don't see the price also. This one is 2,500. And then this one, oh no, this one is 19,700. It's still expensive. And this is 2,200. And this, no price. I don't know, 2005 or model. I don't see the price. I don't see the price. Yeah, and this, that one is 8,900. Yeah, we just came from the bike shop. Yeah, they don't have the side mirror. They have just one kind, but not fit in my bike. Oh, this one is 14,500, and this one is 4,750. Yeah, those are still for sale. We are now heading to KFC to buy a chicken, and these are the prices of the petrol here in Australia. This is Caltex. We're just going to sit here even if it's so windy. This is a chicken nugget, french fries, mashed potato with gravy, and chicken tenders.